Somebody put a circle around me. It's Alice with It's a Cake. Today we'll be showing you how to make a flower bouquet cake. I've already cut two 13 by 9 sheet cakes and I shaped them into the letter V. I kept the top of the cake enclosed. Right now what you see me doing, I'm going to go ahead and put that crumb coat on. That's your first layer of frosting. Once it's set in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add your second coat of frosting. You're going to also see me in just a few seconds go ahead and use Wilton tip number 125. That tip is going to allow me to make a lattice illusion. In other words, it's going to make this bottom look just like a woven basket. Now, once I get that on there and start that lattice going there, honey, you're going to go ahead and add those flowers right on in the top. And when I get to that area, I'm going to show you. Let me go ahead and finish up this first crumb coat here. Okay, almost done, almost. There he is. As you can see here, I've already started doing my lattice. I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my flowers. There I am, adding them all in. Choose any color that you want, match your theme. I also cut off just a little piece of the bottom stem of each flower. Stick it on the bottom. It's going to give that illusion that the flowers is coming through the cake, baby. And you're going to really love that. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There it is. Hope you like, oh, that's pretty. Hey, hit subscribe for me. Thank y'all. Have a good day.